we're gonna clean our fridge. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Chelcy and I'm happy to have you here today. So today we're gonna focus on getting this kitchen cleaned right here, this part, and then doing some laundry and then cleaning my nasty fridge. It's overdue. So if you're ready, then let's get right on into this video. We're gonna start with the dishes.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more, no, no. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no words, no more, no. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more, no, no. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more, no, no. Yeah.
So in my last video that I posted Friday, some of you, or most of you, should know that there was a giveaway. And I was blown away at all the comments that everybody was commenting to the question or whatever. And I really enjoyed seeing all of those comments and reading them and commenting back. So I'm very excited. This Wednesday coming up will be the last day to enter the giveaway, and then Friday I will be announcing on my community tab who the winner is. So I'm very excited to see who the winner is and to get in touch with them when all of it's said and done. So this bowl right here, Josh had gotten some new ice cream from the grocery store, and that's what this bowl was from. He had just got done with it and he said it was really good. It was the strawberry shortcake ice cream, the Breyers kind, I believe, and he said it was so good, but I didn't try it yet. But we're just gonna finish up with this sink, disinfect it really good, and then move on to do some laundry.
Why you wanna let me go, nah, nah. change your mind. For love or pity, let me know. Not now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go? Now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go?
Ooh, wow, nice. It looks so good up in here. Love them after shots. And it just feels just so cozy and so clean. Because it is, you know? But now we're going to move on to this pile of laundry over here.
Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go? Now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Now. Cause your love made me go blind. Oh, na. For love or pity, let me know. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you changing your mind? Nah, we ain't got the time.
We both said some awful words, and I know that we both got hurt. But I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. We can't let this slip away. You know that I want you to stay. So I wanna
See
be
what I
with
mean?
you.
Chase accidentally made one or two of these rods come off, and now I have to put them back on there every once in a while if it gets touched when I'm either hanging a piece of clothing or taking one off. So it is what it is. Today is Saturday, by the way, and my mom gave me this dress today, and I really like it. It was a little bit big, and so we put one of these things in the back to kind of pull it together. And it's so comfortable and flowy and summery, and I love it. She got it from a yard sale for $2. We both love yard sales. That's who I got it from.
I just wanna let you know. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. You. I wanna be with you. Hope that we can work it out, but I know that you have your doubts. I wanna be with you. Don't you wanna be with me? I think about you night and day, and I just
I can't remember if I told y'all or not. I know I told you that we switched to Spectrum, and I just want to give you an update. It is wonderful so far. We love it. It's way faster than what we had, and it works great. I did the dishes last night, so need to really do more today. The house is actually not too bad, believe it or not, so I don't know, we'll see.
You give me this energy. It is like you set me free. Chasing highs to stay alive. But if I'm with you, I'll survive. So hold me close into the night, 'cause I need you to.
We went to see my mom and them and my oldest son. They just got back from the beach, Hunter, and Chase wanted to stay there tonight, so he's staying there, so I've got the house to myself again. Y'all believe it? So Josh is actually fishing right now. Him and Chase was gonna go, but Chase didn't come home tonight, so Josh went by himself. He just texted me and said that the dude beside in their little group fishing is he caught a catfish, so Josh hasn't caught anything. He said he's coming home shortly. And there's a movie we want to watch on TV, so we're just gonna order that movie when he gets home and stuff, and just relax. And my mom said that we're going to have the yard sale in the next week or two, so I'm excited about that. I dropped my yard sale stuff off with her today, because that's where it's going to be, at her house.
You take me to paradise, that's why it's hard to wait. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Life is hard the way it is, but with you it's easier. Follow me into the night, without you I'm falling deep.
This spot is looking much better till we get the stuff out of the washer and dryer, so that's great. Need to do the fridge. Oh, I'm dreading it. We're gonna clean our fridge, so let me show you what it's looking like, and then we're gonna get started.
Stay a bit longer. Yeah, I just need you to. I just need you to. Stay a bit longer. I just need you to. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for
Using my Jaws disinfectant.
Just for motivation.
clean this shelf.
On the flip side, maybe we can be friends when you're not so fragile. When you know yourself well, somewhere down the sweet line. When I do things for me, 'cause I don't wanna be a therapy, I wanna be free. So, gotta go and grab a spoon now. Make a life for myself.
Two down. Moving down to the third one. Add the eggs for the moment. This one's real dirty. Alright, I'm gonna let this one soak for a minute and I'm gonna go to this drawer. Let's take this basket out so that I can clean in here. See, it's not too bad since I have a basket in there.
I'm getting tired. We could have breakfast, counting your freckles, close to the west coast. How about that? Why don't we just get a place together?
Whatever that is, built.
So much better. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together? Why don't we just get a place together? We can get white walls with big windows up on the third floor in our chateau. Why don't we just get a place together? Mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together? Why don't we just get a place together? Wake up at your place. Wake up at mine.
Okay.
Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together?
dreaming so much lately about your face when you're smiling. It's the only thing that saves me. Hey, I don't know if I told you that I think you're beautiful, and how I can't wait to hold you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know how I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine. I don't wanna be without you. This is something that I know for sure. It's just something about you. I just want more. Tell me what you wanna do right now. Tell me what you wanna do tonight. I really don't care as long as I'm with you.
Here it is. I don't know about you, but I love to have a clean fridge. So this was much overdue, long overdue. So I'm glad it's done. But always, thank you so much for being here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you'd like. I'd love to have you. But I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. So happy to have that done and over with. I'm so hot.